This is going to be a tutorial on how to do the Pearson square method to find a feed ration. So to begin, there's a few little pieces of information that we need, and that is how much crude protein needs to be in the ration total. So for this problem, we'll say that it's going to be 25% crude protein. We also need to know what our feedstuffs are going to be. So that could be oats, that can be corn, that can be soybean meal, that can be barley, it can be hay, it can be a whole array of things. So for this, we'll say that it's going to be oats and it's going to be soybean meal. You'll be given a crude protein for each of these, so I'll go ahead and write that down. The oats is going to be about 12% and soybean meal about 44%. These numbers can, of course, change no matter what. They can be anything, but they're normally around these numbers. Okay, so next, we're going to draw our square. In the center of our square, we put how much crude protein we want in the whole entire ration, which is 25%. And then we're going to start by putting in the oats and soybean meals, and they go on this side. It doesn't matter whether you put them top or bottom. So we're going to have 12% oats, and we're going to have 44% soybean meal. Okay, so from here, we're going to do cross subtraction. So what we do is we're going to do 25 minus 12. And it's going to go down because we're crossing, okay? So when we cross, that gives us 13%. And what would this be? It would be soybean meal because it goes across the bottom. And since soybean meal is on the bottom, now this 13% is the soybean meal, okay? Then we're going to do the same. We're going to go from 44%, and then we're going to subtract the 25%. And we're going to get 19% of oats, since oats are on top. And again, we're going to go across. Okay, so then from here, these will be considered parts. So it'll be considered 19 parts of oats and 13 parts of soybean meal. So for our activity, this is as far as we need to go because now we're going to turn the parts into tablespoons and make our own feed ration.